following his huge crash from Vegas. That picture right there. Chase Sexton has provided an update on his Twitter saying, quote, "Just wanted to give everyone an update and appreciate everyone checking in on me. My shoulder is very weak, so I will be getting it checked this upcoming week, and a mild concussion, not the way I was expecting to end this year, but I trust God's plan anyways." Or always, sorry. So that basically takes him out of MX of Nations, or MX of Nations, whatever you want to call it. So the U.S. team is pretty well shot now. Eli Tomac still up, Hayden Deegan with the broken collarbone, and Chase Sexton with this, whatever ends up actually being said about his shoulder. But I'm assuming with the concussion and just the way this crash looks or looked, I doubt we'll see him racing it. It sucks to see. I mean, obviously, the rumors of him leaving this team, not the way you want to end a season or end a time with them, but it's a big hit. And the sad thing is, you watch this, and there's just nobody. I mean, obviously, there's a flagger, but no medical people, and this is a good amount of time to have somebody laying on the track with no one checking on them, no one doing anything. You gotta be, like, I understand, there cannot be medical people in every inch of this track, but with something like this out in the middle of the track, to me, this was a red flag. I mean, just, you've got medical people there, you've got flaggers standing there, you've got him laying completely, vulnerable. I don't know how that was not a red flag. That's just me on the subject, but again, what am I? Who am I? I'm not a doctor or whatever, but seeing something like that sucks. Hopefully it is just what it is. Mild concussion and a semi-sore shoulder or a hurt shoulder that's not horrible. Especially, I mean, I guess the good thing is it's off season. If it is a shoulder, something that needs to be fixed, or whatever the actual situation is, you got the time to do it now. And we'll see when the actual announcement of where he's going or staying or what's going on there sometime in this silly season. But knock on wood, that it's not super bad, that it's not, something massively torn or a big problem. But that's what I'm saying right there. He's laying in the middle of the track. There's people, around him, and I cannot believe that this wasn't a red flag. I know there's another lane to the outside, but it's just, to me, this is one of those safety things that, you got somebody just laying there. All you need is one person to forget or a bike to crash and hit them all. Sad to see, but hopefully, he isn't horribly injured. And we're just going to see where this goes. But as to any sort of update or anything he says from the future, I will provide it to you as soon as I see it. And with that, I'm going to leave you guys. So comment down below. Tell me what you think. What'd you like about the last round? Lots of drama, lots of hate for some people, but comment down below, tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does help me a lot. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.